A very good morning, my dear children. In today's EVS class, we are going to continue with the lesson number 10, transport. Previous class, we were discussing about the different means of transport, right? Now we are going to continue with that. So first we shall have a recall of that now we saw how to travel, how will you travel from one place to another, right? Now tell me, how will you travel from one place to another? If you want to go from your place, your home to, or say nearby your next city, how will you travel? By car or by train. So we have so many means of transport, right? So next, when you if you want to go for a long trip, how will you go? Holiday. So if you have holiday, you'll go for a long trip, right? Then how will you go? By car. Okay. Now, so if you want to go to your school, if your school is nearby your home, if your school is nearby your home, then how will you go to school? If your school is nearby your home, then how will you go to school? By aeroplane? Train? No, right? How will you go then? By walk. You will go by walk. If the school is nearby, you will go by walk. Okay. So if you want to go to school and school is little far. Now, so if the school is far from your home, so how will you go then? If the school is far, you'll go by some children they'll go by auto rickshaw, some they will go by bus, right? Some they will go by school bus, car, scooter, some they'll go by scooter if the school is far from home. So these are the things we discussed in the previous class, right? So if the school is nearby, how will you go to school? By walk, right? So if the school is far from your home, then how will you go to school? So you may opt for any transport, right? So which transport you will prefer? So we can prefer anyone: auto rickshaw, bus, car, scooter. So you can go in any one of these, right? So if the school is far, you can go. So these are we have different modes of transport, right? Land transport, water transport and air transport. So these things you will study in your further classes, not in this session. So just the vehicles that go on land are called as land transport. Example, car, bike that goes on land, right? So they are called as land transport. And what are water transport? The vehicles that go on the water. Example, ship. So these are ship, boat, etc. where they will so boats sail on the water, right? So that is water transport. Air transport, so where they will so the vehicles that run on airways, so right? So that is called as air transport. So we have different means of transport. If you want to go from one place to another place, we use some vehicle to go, right? How you will go from one place to another? If you want to go to a long distance, how will you go? You will take one vehicle and you will go, right? So vehicle that we are using, that is called as transport. The vehicle that we travel in, the method of travel, how we are going to travel, that is called as transport. So if I want to go from one place to another place, the vehicle that I travel in, that is called as transport. The method of travel, in which method I am going to travel, whether I'll go by bus, whether I'll go by car, whether I'll go by train. So there are different means of transport, right? That is called as transport. What do you mean by transport? Action of carrying or taking people or goods it is not only people, they can take goods also, right? If they want to carry if they want to take goods from one place to another, they'll use different means of transport, right? So from one place to another. So no, you know what is transport, right? So the vehicle that we travel in, which vehicle we are going to travel in, that is called as transport, method of travel. So if you want to go to school, how you are going? Most of you are going by school bus. So that is one means of transport, right? Now, so different, what are the different modes of transport? Bicycle, if the school is if you're grown up, you can if the school is nearby, you can go by bicycle also, right? Now you are small children, you cannot go by that, right? So bicycle, nearby shop, some nearby your apartment, you'll go with bicycle, right? Bicycle, rickshaws, scooters, motorcycles, cars, buses, train, some they'll go by train also, right? Aeroplane and ships. So these are the different means of transport used by us to travel from one place to another. If you want to travel from one place to another place, we'll choose either one of these, right? If you're going for a long distance, we will opt for train or bus, right? Or car. So if you want to go to some other country, so aeroplane. So we'll see that also. So there are so many methods, means of transport. So next in today's session, and last class we saw that in olden days what they used to do, they use animals. Now we have car, bike, etc., right? But olden days, whether we had all these things? Yes? No, right? We don't have. So what they did, they used animals. What they used? They used animals to carry goods and people. So what method they used? Now we have car, bike with wheels. Then how they just transferred the goods from one place to another, how the people will go from one place to another, olden days. So animals, which animal they used? Bullocks, camels and horses. So these three animals they used to pull the carts. So with the help of the carts, the animals will pull the carts. So they will transfer the goods from one place to another with the help of these animals, with the carts, with the help of these carts and animals. So they used to take the people and transfer the goods from one place to another place. So olden days what they used to do, they used animals to carry goods and people. So which animals they used? Bullocks, camels and horses. They used bullocks, camels and horses. So they will pull the carts. What do you mean by cart? Just see here, it's also a vehicle. It's like a vehicle. Just see, it will also have wheel. It's a vehicle with wheels. It's a vehicle with wheels that is used for transporting the things. So in olden days they used these carts only. So the animals will pull these carts. So before, people also will pull the carts. So now, what do you mean by cart? It's a vehicle with wheels that is used for transporting things. So these carts, who will pull these carts? Animals. They used animals to pull the carts. So which animals they used? See this, horse. They used horse, camel and bullocks. So horse-driven cart. Horse-driven cart, we call it as tonga. A horse-driven cart is called as tonga. What do we call it as? Tonga. This is called as tonga. See, horse is driving the cart, right? So that we call it as tonga. Tonga. Then camel. This is camel cart and bullock cart. So olden days they used animals to carry people and goods. So next, today we'll see. Okay. Now, which vehicle we'll use? That depends upon how fast we want to go, how far the distance. So which vehicle we want to travel, that depends upon the. So if I want to go for a long distance, can you go by bicycle? So if you want to go to some other country, can you go by car? No, right? So the kind of transport we use depends on how far and how fast we want to travel. So how it depends upon if I want to choose one vehicle, it depends upon the how fast I should so if I want to reach that place so early, so I have to I can go by aeroplane also. See, if I want to go to some other state, you can go by car also, aeroplane also, train also, right? But if I want to go to that state within 2 hours or 3 hours, within within a short period of time, so what I will do, I'll opt for aeroplane, right? So I'll go by aeroplane. So same way, so that depends upon the kind of transport we use depends on how far. So how much is distance? First we have to see the distance also, right? If so much of distance, can we go by bicycle, bike? Can you go by bike if it is a long distance? Can you go by bike? If it is within the city something, now you can go by bike. But if you want to go to some other state, can you go by bike? No, it is not possible, right? So the kind of transport we use depends on how far and how fast we want to travel. If I want to travel very fast within a short period of time, I want to go to that. I want to reach that place within 1 hour. Say 1 hour, I want to reach that place. So in that case, I'll go for some other option. I cannot use bus or car, right? So it depends. The kind of transport we use depends on how far and how fast we want to travel. Now, to travel to another town or city, we go by bus or train. Now, if I want to travel to another city, nearby city, so to travel to another town or city, we go by bus or train. Correct? You can use car also. Nowadays we have cars. So now to travel to another city, which vehicle you will opt for? So bus. If it is near next city or next nearby town or city, we can go either by bus, train also. Train or car also. You can go by car also. If it is nearby, now you can go by car also, right? So to travel to another town or city, we go by bus or train. When we'll use this bus option or train option? If it is nearby, right? If you want to go to nearby city or town, we go by bus or train. Now, or you can use car also to go to another city. Now, to travel to another country, or want to reach somewhere quickly, we go on an aeroplane. To travel to another country, if you want to travel to another country or want to reach somewhere quickly, we go on an aeroplane. Now, we are in which country? India, right? So now I want to go to some other country. Say Australia. So Australia, America. So if I want to go to that country, so which vehicle you'll use? You'll opt for? Can you go by train? No. So it depends upon the which vehicle that we're using. That depends upon the how far we are going, how much distance. If it is a long distance, the two different countries, we cannot travel by car, right? So if you want to travel within the states, we can use cars, buses and all. But if you want to travel to some other country, so to travel to other country or want to reach somewhere quickly. So same way within the states also we can travel by car. But I want to reach that state quickly. I want to reach that state very quickly. So what I have to do? I can go by car also. I can go by train also. But I want to reach that place quickly. So I can opt for aeroplane. So I'll go by aeroplane. Correct? So I want to go to Andhra Pradesh. I want to go to Andhra Pradesh. I want to go to Mumbai or somewhere Andhra Pradesh. I can go by train also, by car also. But car it will take so much of time. But train it also take little time. But I want to go to that place quickly. So which vehicle you'll opt for then? You'll go by aeroplane, right? So if you want to go travel to some other country or want to reach somewhere quickly, we go on an aeroplane. So you'll go by aeroplane. So to travel quickly, see, this is the fastest means of transport. You know that, right? So aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. If you want to travel to a place quickly, you have to go by airways. To travel to another country or want to reach somewhere quickly, we go on an aeroplane. So when you opt for bus, car and train, if you want to travel to some other town or city, you'll go by bus or a train. Now to travel to another country or want to reach somewhere quickly, we go on an aeroplane, right? So aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. And next one, people travel on the river by boat. So how they will travel on the river? If you want to travel on the river, which vehicle they will use? Can you use car, bicycle to travel on water? Yes. Can you use your bicycle? Can you sail in water? No, right? So people travel on the river by boat. So these are the one that sails on water. So these are the water transports. People travel on the river by boat. We cannot travel by car, bike, bicycle on river, right? On river or on sea. Can you travel? No. So people travel on the river by boat. Sometimes people sail to another country on a ship. So some people, they'll opt for ship also. If they want to go to some other country, so I want to go to some other country. What I told you just before now, if you want to travel to some other country, we can use airways, right? But no, you can travel on water transport, ship also to sail to some other country. But it will take little time. So sometimes people sail on to another country on a ship. Ship sail on the sea. Where do they sail? Ships sail on the sea. In water only it can sail, right? So boats and boat and ship both sail in the water. This is a water transport. So people travel on the river by boat. So some people, if they want to travel to some other country, they will opt for this ship also, because that will be more interesting to sail on the ship. So sometimes people sail to another country on a ship, but it will take little time. When you go by airways, you can reach that place very quickly, but ship, it will take little time. Ships sail on the sea. Where do they sail? They sail on the sea. Train, where it will go? It will go on the railway track. You know the train. Trains, it will go on the railway track. Rails, it will go on the railway track. So with this, this lesson is over. Now just we'll have a revise. So if you want to go to, if you want to go to the place nearby, if it is nearby, if the shop is nearby, if you want to go to a nearby shop, how will you go? You'll go by walk, right? And if you want to go to some place little, if it is little far, how will you go? By you have so many options like scooter, then bicycle. So you have so many options. And now we have different means of transport to carry the goods and people, right? So we have bus, train, car, aeroplane, ships, boats. We have so many options. So olden days, what they used to do? In olden days, they used animals to carry the goods and people, right? Which way animals they used? Bullocks, camel and horses. A horse-driven cart is called as tonga. So olden days they used animals to carry the goods and people, and which vehicle that we use depends upon how far we travel and how fast we want to go to that place. Whether I want to go to that place very quickly, whether I want or else if I want if it is taking more time also not a problem for me, you can go by some other vehicle also, right? So that depends upon how far you are going and how fast we want to go. If I want to go to some other city or town, we'll go by bus or train. And if I want to travel to some other country or to reach somewhere quickly, we go on an aeroplane, and people travel on the river by boat. Some people, they travel on the river, that will be very interesting. Some people sail to another country on a ship. We can go to another country by ship also. Ships sail on the sea. Where do they sail? Ships sail on the sea. That's all for this lessons. Next class we'll just read the entire lesson and we'll do the book back exercise. So till that, that's all for today's class. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.